In this video, we're diving into how to customize payroll in Deel, and I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can manage your team's payroll effortlessly. Deel is an incredible platform for managing global teams, and customizing payroll is one of its standout features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tailor payroll for your specific needs, whether you're paying contractors, employees, or both. To get started, after logging into Deel, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on the Payroll tab in the top menu. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see an overview of your team's payroll details, including pay rates, taxes, and payment history. First, let's talk about setting up your payroll preferences. Click on Settings and select Payroll Settings. This is where you can define the frequency of payroll, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You'll also be able to specify the pay method, direct deposit, PayPal, or even a wire transfer, depending on what works best for you and your team. Next, customize your tax settings. Deel supports various countries and tax requirements, so whether your team is based in the US, Europe, or Asia, you can set the appropriate tax withholdings. Deel allows you to add tax deductions manually, or if you're dealing with different currencies, you can set up automatic conversions. This feature is a game changer for international teams, making global payroll easy to manage. Once that's set up, let's move to pay rates. For each team member, you'll want to input their hourly rate or fixed salary, depending on their agreement. You can also set up different rates for overtime or special tasks, ensuring that you're paying fairly and in line with your contracts. Deel's system allows you to adjust these rates as necessary, giving you full control over compensation. One of the best features of Deel's payroll customization is the ability to add additional payments like bonuses, reimbursements, or commissions. To do this, simply navigate to the employee or contractor's profile, and under the Compensation tab, you'll see the option to add a one-time payment. This ensures that you can reward your team and keep everything organized within the same platform. Now, let's take a look at the payroll preview. Before you hit pay, Deel lets you review the payroll for each employee, showing all deductions, bonuses, and payments in a clear format. This is where you can double-check everything, ensuring accuracy before submitting payments. Finally, let's talk about paying your team. When you're ready, click Run Payroll, and Deel will process all the payments for you. The platform will handle tax calculations, conversion rates, and any other adjustments. The best part? Deel takes care of compliance, so you don't have to worry about errors or penalties. And before we wrap up, don't forget that you can use Deel completely free through the first link in the description below. With our exclusive bonuses, you can take Deel for a spin without any commitment and see firsthand how it can streamline your payroll process. Now that you know how to customize payroll in Deel, remember that the platform's flexibility makes it an excellent choice for businesses of any size, especially if you're dealing with a global team. Customize payroll settings based on your specific needs, automate payments, and stay compliant with ease. And one last thing, because you watched until the end, you get an exclusive extended free trial for Deel. So don't miss out. Check out the first link in the description below and start simplifying your payroll today.